Hey guys, welcome. It's Steve Dawson here, and in this video I want to talk a little bit about the power of compounding with Swiss Gold Global Mining. And I've been compounding now for several weeks with my Bitcoin mining and my Ethereum mining, and it's really beginning to show some terrific results. And I want to show you how you can compound your Bitcoin mining, and I'm going to show you the Bitcoin wallet that I'm now using. I was using Coinbase, but I switched over to a company called Exodus, and I want to show you just some of the proof and show you why it's also very profitable and lucrative to develop a team within the Swiss Gold mining business. Even if you are only a free member, you can still benefit from the 2.5% of mining power that you get given when somebody joins you as a free member. So as you can see, I'm in my back office, and I'm going to quickly just go into the My Crypto page. So let's just wait for that to load up. I'll have a little cup of coffee whilst I'm waiting. Okay, so in here we have the My Crypto dashboard, and if I just scroll up the page, you can see currently I have a total of 143.3390 terahash. Now, I've been compounding my Bitcoin on a daily basis, and what I mean by that is that I've been buying more hash power from the earnings that I'm making from Swiss Gold Global. So as you can see, the last payout that it shows here was for $98.59, and it says currently my next payout should be around about $102.22. So what I want to show you is my Exodus wallet. So if we're going to go into my Exodus account, hopefully you can see here clearly what we have. This is in fact, let me just switch through just so that you can see. Okay, so right now you can see that I have a total amount of Bitcoin, or $1,200 of Bitcoin in here, and $1,490 of Ethereum. If I go into my wallet, this is the recent exchanges of Bitcoin going in and out of my account for Exodus. And here you can see 30th of June, 30th of June, 30th of June. These three payments are payments I've received from the mining that I'm doing from Swiss Gold. I'm doing Bitcoin, I'm doing Ethereum, and I'm doing Litecoin. So if I just click on this transaction, it tells you that I received $9.86. Now I can tell you that is from my Ethereum mining contract, and I'm getting roughly around about $9 to $10 a day now. And Ethereum has actually started to go back up in price again, so that's why the value is going up. So that was yesterday. I received that actually first thing this morning, so that was 1:55 a.m. Friday morning. Then I had a payment for $4.23. That was from my Litecoin mining contract. And then I had a payment of $99, and in fact that's just gone up. That was actually at 0.59, but it's gone up to 0.65 because Bitcoin has obviously risen in value, so that amount of Bitcoin is now actually gone up slightly. So that was pretty cool. So I got that from my Bitcoin mining contract, and what I want to do is I want to actually send some more Bitcoin and buy some more mining power. So I want to compound. So what I want to do is I'm going to basically click on the increase hash rate, and so we're going to click on the start now button. Going to make sure Bitcoin is selected. I'm going to click on the next button, and I'm going to basically buy another I'm going to buy $120 worth of, so slightly over the amount I made yesterday. I made about $110, $111, but I'm going to just go up to zero point 0.8 terahash, add in an extra $10, and I'm going to do that by clicking on the next button, and I'm going to choose Bitcoin, and I'm going to click on the next button again. Just double check everything. So I'm buying Bitcoin, it's on my open-ended contract. The price is $120 and I'm going to get 0.8 terahash. I'm just going to click on the box there to say that I agree with the terms, and I'm going to click on the confirm button. So let's do that, and then what will happen is this is the actual payments page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come into the wallet here in my Exodus account, and I'm going to send. Okay, so I'm going to take the Bitcoin address here, so we're just going to copy that and going to paste it in. So that's the address. Just make sure that it's correct, and I always just check the first two digits and the last two digits, which is right. Then I'm going to put in the amount of Bitcoin, so let's just click in there and confirm that. So all I need to do now is click on the send. Now it's actually $123 worth of Bitcoin. Obviously there is fees attached to that, so it's about $3.84, which isn't too bad. I'm quite happy with that. So I'm going to click on send and just confirm, yes, I'm happy with that, and click on send again, and then that's going to send to this address, and there you go. You can see I've now received that payment. So they've received the order, and I'm going to get that 0.8 terahash appear in my back office, and I've compounded again, and that's going to give me obviously more terahash, and it's going to give me more earning power. So let's just click through that. So that's fine, and it says here sent a few seconds ago, and if I click on there, it gives you all the details, and you've got the actual transaction ID, etc. So that's great. That's all done. So I've compounded for the day. I'm going to go back into my Swiss Gold account, and let me just move this one out of the way and log in. Usually it can take up to an hour before it shows up into the back office. So let's just type in my username and password. Another slurp of coffee. There we go. So let's just open the page up a bit more. Okay, bigger. There we go. So I'm going to go back into my crypto, double click in there, and that will change. So at the moment it's at 143, so it's 143.3390 of hash rate, and I've added 0.8. So basically what that will do is 143, just do it on my calculator, 143.3390 plus 0.8, that'll give me 144.13. So that will reflect in here shortly, and then of course the price that I'm going to receive for my Bitcoin is going to go up because I'm going to receive more Bitcoin. Doing well over $100 now, which is fantastic. Plus, with my other mining that I'm doing, probably doing about $110 a day at the moment, and it's just going to continue to build. Now, I've actually set myself a goal of reaching 200 terahash. Once I get to my goal of 200 terahash, I'm going to then start to basically pay back my initial investment that I put into the company, and it'll probably take me a couple of months to get my full investment back, but that's fine. But the reality is, moving forward, as Bitcoin price continues to go up, and I believe it's going to continue to go up, so I'm going to be getting these daily payments of Bitcoin, well over 100, 120, $130 by the time I get to 200 terahash. And that's every day, 7 days a week, and that's with an open-ended contract. So that is basically until the lifetime of the mining contracts are no longer viable. So that could be, 10 years from now, who knows. So this is the beauty of Swiss gold. You can compound your earnings to build a much bigger passive residual income. And if Bitcoin goes up in value, which a lot of people think it will, then of course that is going to be developing your dollar value to really significant amount. So you imagine if Bitcoin was to double in price. Imagine if it went from say 2,500 to 5,000 in the next year. Then obviously your amount of Bitcoin mining is going to seriously increase the amount of money that you're going to make from the same amount of mining power. So very satisfying to watch this, and what I love about this is that it's a genuine, legitimate, real business with real world technology. We're in the most interesting time at the moment with regards to cryptocurrencies, and my personal view is that Bitcoin is going to be around and it's going to continue to grow and develop for many years. So I think it's a very safe, secure and profitable operation to be involved with. Also, I want to quickly show you, if I look at my transaction history, one of the reasons why it's also a good idea to be promoting this to other people, getting more miners involved, is that we can basically, even as a free member, we can actually profit from the little bonuses of terahash that we get when somebody buys a contract. Now, of course, you can see here that, oh, hang on, let me just get rid of that. You can see here that we've got 0.1 terahash received in Ethereum, another Ethereum contract bonus, another Bitcoin bonus, Bitcoin. So there are a number of different payments coming through here from the, on the 29th I received one, let me see now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bonuses. I received 3 bonuses on the 30th, which is today already. So every day I'm making a little bit more mining power for doing nothing, basically, because I'm basically sharing this with other people and showing them how they can create a really cool passive income stream for themselves. So that's it, guys. Hope you found that of use. Very simple to obviously do this, and if you want a good Bitcoin wallet, then try the Exodus wallet. It's exodus.io is the website, and it works very fast, as you've seen, very efficient, and you can keep that on your desktop safe and secure. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.